Do you want the freedom to take your boat to any body of water? Is your car lacking roof racks? Whynot Adventure's got you covered. We can add complimentary shuttle blocks to your rental, a quick and easy way to take a boat on your own vehicle to any location. Here's how to set them up. First, you'll place the canoe on the ground next to your vehicle. Place 2 blocks on either gunnel, centered a few feet apart. On our canoes, you can frame the logo on the side. Basically, you want the blocks to be spaced out so that they fit centered on the roof of your vehicle. If your vehicle has an antenna on top, you can usually unscrew it so that it's not in your way. Now you'll lift the canoe onto the roof of your vehicle. 2 people are needed for this. You and your partner will want to place your hand that is furthest from the vehicle at the base of the hull. Your other hand will go on the handle. As you lift the canoe with your partner, you will flip it upside down and place it on the roof. Make sure you coordinate with the other person. It's also a good idea to get the person with the longer arms to lift over the hood of the car. Next, you'll have to open all 4 doors of the car. Unless you're a big fan of the Dukes of Hazzard, you'll end up strapping the doors closed if you loop them through the open windows. Once all 4 doors are open, the most effective method for strapping the boat down is to hold the buckle of the cam strap and toss the loose strap up and over the canoe. Then you'll take the loose end and pass it back through the open doors. You can push the button on the buckle and pass the loose end through the back of the buckle. That way, you can pull down on the loose end and use your body weight to tighten it down. It's also best to orient the straps right over top of the foam blocks, and to orient the buckle of each strap over the plastic hull to ensure maximum tension. This should also prevent the boat from coming into contact with your car and potentially scratching it. Now you can close your doors with the leftover strap tucked inside. If you're leaving the park, you should use a bow and stern line for driving on roads that have high maximum speed limits, like the highway. This prevents the boat from catching air underneath and loosening as you go. Don't forget to toss the stuff sack in your glove box so that you don't lose it. Make sure that you test the setup by trying to move the canoe. If it won't budge, then you're ready to go.